Hello and welcome to the Sparkling Autos YouTube channel, and welcome to the next stage of cleaning this filthy Japanese hatchback. And in this week's episode, it's those black alloy wheels getting all the attention. It looks like it's going to be a lot of work, but Garage Therapy Decon Shampoo did a brilliant job on the engine bay in the last episode, so let's see just how effective it'll be on these wheels. Of course, if you haven't seen the last episode, I'll put a link in the description. And once I have the wheels done, it'll be on to the bodywork, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and you have the notification bell activated. But that's going to be the next episode. For now though, it's time to get these wheels done. So the first of two products used in this video is a dollop of Garage Therapy's wheel shampoo in a bucket of warm water. And the second product is the same Decon shampoo mixture that I used on the engine bay in the previous video. So what I'm actually doing here, just like when I did the engine bay, is using the Decon initially as a pre-wash product. I know a lot of people prefer to rinse their wheels down with water before washing them, but in my experience, unless they're actually caked with thick layers of muck, the majority of the dirt in the wheels won't be removed with water alone. So rather than just spray pressurised water, I prefer to soak the wheels and arches with either a wheel cleaner or a pre-wash of some kind, allow that to soak in for a few minutes and then rinse it off. And if you stick around, you'll soon see why. Now obviously if I wasn't recording this, I'd be doing all four wheels at the same time, but for now I'll just focus on this one, so let's get it thoroughly rinsed off and get on with the cleaning. So time to get the wheels properly cleaned, and once again I've applied a liberal coating of the Decon shampoo. This is one of the main benefits of using dilutable products over ready to use alternatives. You can be as generous as you like without cost per wash becoming a significant factor. And now we can also introduce our second product into the process. Whilst Decon shampoo itself is a fantastic cleaning product, even for contact cleaning, the bucket of warm GT wheel shampoo solution simply provides the brushes with considerably more lubrication. This is always beneficial to protect the wheel finish, but never is that more applicable than when you're working with black wheels. It's not that the black paint in and of itself is more easily damaged, it's simply the case that black paint, or any particularly dark colour for that matter, tends to show up defects more than others, so the more you can do to alleviate the risks of damaging them, the better. Hence I prefer to pre-wash the wheels just like I do with the paintwork. And I do love using this little soft 99 detailing brush for the wheels. For me it's just the perfect balance of being soft enough to avoid scratches, but firm enough that it actually tackles the brake dust trapped in all the crevices. As always, I like to thoroughly rinse the brushes too, rather than transferring the dirt they've just collected back into the wheel shampoo bucket. So now, as I start to clean the barrels, the advantages of my pre-wash method become obvious. Well, to me anyway. Bearing in mind that these wheel barrels haven't been properly cleaned for a long time, take note that the foam being pulled back out is still pretty much clean white foam. Typically it would be discoloured, dark grey and full of contaminants, but a proper pre-wash with a powerful product has actually removed most of the brake dust and other dirt, meaning I'm not massaging those back into the paint's top surface as I'm cleaning the wheels. I'm rinsing the brushes again before moving on to the next stage. And next up, it's the tyres. So regular viewers will know that I've become quite the fan of a particular dedicated tyre and rubber cleaner, but as I'm sticking with GT products throughout this series, I wanted to demonstrate just how effective decon shampoo can be too. Now I'm not going to get into the science of tyre cleaning or talk about ozone cracking, but what I will say is that decon shampoo also makes an excellent tyre cleaner and prepares the sidewalls nicely for the finishing products to be applied later. Now using the large EZ glorified toilet brush to clean in around the wheel arches. Again, a good pre-wash routine means this job is considerably less messy than it would ordinarily be. And of course, once again not forgetting that all important brush rinse so that the wheel shampoo doesn't become unnecessarily contaminated. The final step then before rinsing off, and a step which is often neglected, is to wash behind the spokes. After all, it's not just the dirt you can see that needs to be cleaned. Now it's finally time to rinse the wheels off. And of course you can rinse both products off with an ordinary garden hose, but if you have access to a pressure washer, it's definitely a much more efficient method. All I would say is, whichever rinse method you choose, make sure, as with any cleaning product, that you rinse thoroughly and you don't leave any product behind. So that's my process, and hopefully you might pick up a tip or two from it. It just shows that no matter how bad the wheels are, a good routine means that it shouldn't really take any more time or effort on your part to get them looking good again. And that's really all I have to say about that. As always, if you've made it this far, I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you think it deserves it, and I'll hopefully see you on the next one. Take care.